A sneak peek into DJI's upcoming Avata 2 drone and Goggles 3 has sent ripples of excitement through the drone enthusiast community, with leaked images and specifications hinting at significant upgrades over their predecessors. The leaked image, shared by Quadro_News, showcases a revamped design for the Avata 2 drone, departing from its predecessor's skeletal framework. Notable changes include the adoption of triple-bladed propellers and fully encased batteries, suggesting a focus on improved aerodynamics and enhanced durability. However, the most intriguing feature lies within the Goggles 3, which seems to boast two front-facing cameras, fueling speculation about their potential for pass-through vision. Additionally, a novel hinged forehead rest hints at improved comfort and convenience, allowing users to flip the goggles up when not in use, an innovation that addresses a common pain point with traditional FPV headsets. Rumored specifications, purportedly sourced from Chinese Telegram channels, shed light on the Avata 2's enhancements. Tipping the scales at 458 grams, this iteration may wield a larger 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, promising superior light capture compared to its predecessor's 1x1.7-inch sensor. While the core camera specifications remain largely unchanged, a tantalizing upgrade lies in the potential ability to record 1080p footage at 240 frames per second, potentially offering smoother slow-motion sequences compared to its 120 FPS forerunner. Moreover, the Avata 2 is said to boast a substantially larger 50.1 watt-hour battery, a significant bump from the 35.7 watt-hour power pack found in the original Avata drone, hinting at extended flight times and enhanced endurance. Meanwhile, leaked details regarding the Goggles 3 unveil a refined yet weightier iteration. With a comparable 17.64 watt-hour battery to its predecessor, the Goggles 3 tips the scales at 420 grams, a notable increase from the older model's 290 grams. Despite the added weight, enthusiasts anticipate advancements in performance and functionality, thanks to the speculated pass-through vision feature and ergonomic enhancements like the hinged forehead rest. As anticipation mounts, DJI remains tight-lipped, neither confirming nor denying these leaks. Enthusiasts eagerly await official announcements to validate the accuracy of these rumors, as well as to learn about the product's release dates and pricing. The leaked information paints a picture of innovation and refinement within DJI's drone ecosystem, promising users enhanced capabilities and immersive experiences. From the Avata 2's revamped design and improved sensor to the Goggles 3's potential for pass-through vision and enhanced comfort features, these leaks hint at a promising future for aerial enthusiasts. With competition in the drone market heating up, DJI's purported upgrades signal a strategic move to maintain its position as a frontrunner in the industry. As consumers eagerly await official confirmation, the leaked details have sparked discussions and excitement, underscoring the enduring appeal of DJI's cutting-edge technology within the drone community. In short, DJI's forthcoming releases stand poised to set new benchmarks for performance, functionality, and user experience. Whether soaring through the skies with the Avata 2 or immersing oneself in FPV adventures with the Goggles 3, enthusiasts await the opportunity to elevate their aerial endeavors to new heights with DJI's latest innovations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.